Oh no, not today. This is really bad timing for me. Ethan, your bag strap just broke completely right now.
Yeah, it did.
It is okay. I can still carry everything like this.
Your books are falling out. We need to pick them up quickly. Please do not look at me. This is so embarrassing for me. It's okay, Ethan. Just focus on me. Ignore them.
Everyone look at him hugging his books like a baby.
Pathetic.
And look at the girl helping him like she has no pride.
Just ignore them, Ethan. They are not important people. What happened to your hair, Ruby? Where did it go? It's called a headscarf, Bully, and it's none of your business. Please just let us go to class peacefully today. Peacefully? You're not going anywhere, freak.
Same two losers walking together every single day.
We are not losers. You should stop saying that to us.
Then why does everything around you break like that? Leave him alone. Do not cry, Ethan. Do not let them see you like this.
I won't, Ruby. We'll face this together.
I am trying to stay strong, but this really hurts inside. We'll get through this together, Ethan.
Ethan, why are you holding your books like that today?
I lost my bag, Mr. Cole.
It broke at the park. I saw it happen.
Sir, my bag strap broke on the way to school. It's okay, Ethan.
There is always some problem with you two students.
Sir, it broke by accident. I did not do anything wrong.
Ruby, sit down and cover your head properly right now.
I am covered, sir. Sir, this is all I have to cover my head today.
Don't worry, Ruby.
It is distracting the class and I do not like it.
I am sorry, sir, but it is important to me.
It's okay, you are doing great.
Sir, Ruby lost her hair during cancer treatment.
I'm not interested in excuses, Ethan.
Sit down now, both of you, and stop talking.
I won't. We won't.
Sir, did you really hear what I just said to you?
Don't talk back to me, Ethan.
But it's not fair. You can do it. Ethan, are we really useless like they always say?
Yes, I think we are.
No, Ruby. We are not useless people at all. You're right, Ethan. We're not.
We are just in the wrong place with wrong people.
I did not bring lunch again because we have no food. I also did not bring anything to eat today. Wait, I found one small biscuit in my pocket. Wow, that is something at least for us. Yeah, I thought we could share. I will break it into 2 equal pieces for us. Oh, wait, never mind. It broke into 2 unequal pieces. Here, you take the bigger one. But that is your only food. You should keep it. Halves are better than nothing. We will share together.
Thank you, Ethan.
Thank you so much, Ethan. You are very kind to me. You're welcome, Ruby. We'll get through this together. You are always there for me too, Ruby.
Yep.
You are too kind, even when you have so little. But you need it more than I do. We cannot continue living like this every single day. Yes, something really needs to change for us. I know. I think you're right. We need to find a way to improve our lives. Yes, we will find a way, Ethan. What if we try to find some small work after school? Work? But we are still students in school. Just small work. Nothing too difficult for us. I do not know if we are allowed to do that. We only need enough to help our families a little. What kind of work can we even do at our age? I don't know yet. But we have to find something. I heard a small bakery nearby needs help. That could be a good opportunity, Ethan. A bakery? That sounds interesting and possible. We can pack bread and clean shelves there. Oh. That actually sounds like something we can do. Yes, I really think we can try this idea together.
We can.
Do you think they will accept us for work? We will never know if we do not try first. Trying is always better than crying every day. Exactly. We must be brave and try something new. Let us go to the bakery after school today.
Okay, I will go with you and try my best. Right.
I feel a little scared standing in front of this place. I feel scared too, but we will go together. Good afternoon, sir. We would like to ask something.
Yes. How can I help both of you today?
Dog.
We heard that you might need weekend help here.
We'd be good workers.
Who told you that information about my shop?
You both look very young for working here.
We're old enough.
Very well. Let's start with cleaning.
Sir, we are hardworking and very responsible students, and we promise you won't regret hiring us.
And we learn very quickly when given a chance.
We can pack bread and also clean the shelves well. Why do students like you need to work?
We have to help our families, sir.
He's a very good student, sir.
Our families are struggling, and we want to help them.
I understand your situation a little better now.
Can you both start working this Saturday morning? Yes, Mr. Harris. We'd love to.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir, we can start, and we will work very hard. Yes, sir, thank you for giving us this chance.
All right, I will give you both a chance to prove it.
Thank you so much, sir. We really appreciate this. We promise we will not disappoint you at all. This place smells so amazing and warm inside. It smells much better than our school hallway.
Yes, it does.
Ethan, please start packing the bread carefully. Take your time, these loaves are fresh. Ruby, please arrange the pastries on the shelf.
Yes, Mr. Harris.
Very good.
Yes, sir. I will start working right away. I will arrange everything neatly and carefully.
My hands smell like fresh, warm bread now. Yes, it's wonderful. Mine smell like butter and sweet sugar.
This is the best smell I have ever known. Because we worked hard to earn this feeling.
Yeah.
Good work today. Both of you did very well.
Thank you, sir. That means a lot to me.
Hearing that makes me feel really happy inside. I am so glad I could tell you this.
No one has ever said that to us before today. Then those people were completely wrong about you.
Oh? Really?
Can we come back and work here next weekend again?
Okay.
Of course, you are welcome here anytime. My door will always stay open for both of you.
Thank you, Mr. Harris.
We won't let you down.
I will give this money to my mother tonight.
I know you will, Ethan. Let's keep walking. Today feels very different from all other days. Today, nobody called us useless anymore.
That's right. They won't.
We were never useless. We just needed one chance. Yeah, we just needed one chance.